What's going on, you guys? Uncle Jess here. Quick video. I just ordered and received this huge roll of PLA that Zyltech is now offering. I just wanted to share it with you guys. I also picked up their new spool holder that you can pick up for these huge rolls of filament. I am doing a ton of Etsy sales as of, I don't know, the better part of the last 6 to 9 months probably. And one of the big challenges that I have when it comes to fulfilling these Etsy orders is making sure that I have enough filament for my printers to be continuously running, to be cranking out orders. This is where I saw their new Texas-sized spools, which are these, oh my goodness, this is a monster! I knew it was gonna be big, but it's freaking huge. This is a huge 11-pound, 5-kilogram roll of PLA. This is black. They have black PLA and they have white PLA currently. And here is, just for reference, a standard size version or roll of PLA versus their monster Texas size spools. So if you have really big print jobs that you don't want to have to worry about swapping out filament, this might be something that you want to consider. The price point is pretty dang good as well. Also, the Uncle Jesse with an exclamation point discount code will also work on these as well. So I am going to get this unwrapped and put on this massive spool holder here. This is super impressive, so that I can start firing up some more orders here. Normally when you get a roll of filament, it comes with one silicone packet. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 silicone packets in here. So this is just a massive roll of 1.75 millimeter filament here from Zyltech. You can pick this up over on their website as well. This is not sponsored by them in any way. I went out and bought this just because I have a whole bunch of orders that I wanted to fill, and I wanted to share this with you guys because this is the first time I'm going to be ever using a roll of filament this size. Pretty dang crazy. Also, this filament roll holder here I think is like 10 or 12 bucks. I picked that up as well. You could probably easily make one for yourself. There's plenty of huge spool holders over on Thingiverse that you can print and make yourself, but for 10, 12 bucks, that's a perfect price point that I figured why not just add that on. And it seems to roll pretty nicely here. So I will be giving you guys some further updates on this. I'll also be making a video talking about my Etsy progress over the last 6 to 9 months, since I know a lot of folks are interested in 3D printing and selling stuff on Etsy, and how I've been able to get a little bit of success and some of this side business of mine. Hey, but I just want to say thanks again for watching, you guys. If you're interested in this, there is links down below where you can check that out. Remember to use the code Uncle Jesse with an exclamation point to get a nice little discount on your order, and that also helps me out as well. Hey, thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.